with Draco. Tell him Xena says hello.
In a time of ancient gods, warlords, and kings, a land in turmoil cried out for a hero. She was Xena, a mighty princess forged in the heat of battle. The power, the passion, the danger. Her courage will change the world.
The thing you did with the hoop, that was amazing. Where did you get that? Did you make it yourself? And that kick you do, you've got to teach me
Xena,
that.
we'd like you to move on.
Move on? Father, she should rest here until her wound is healed.
Daughter, hush. We don't want any trouble with you, Xena. We know your reputation. We just want you to leave.
But Father, she saved...
It's all right. I plan to move on anyway.
Don't take too long.
Let's go, Gabrielle.
Hey, just because we're betrothed doesn't mean you can boss me around. I want to stay and talk to Xena. You've got to take me with you. Teach me everything you know. You can't leave me here.
Why?
Did you see the guy they want me to marry?
He looks like a gentle soul. That's rare in a man.
It's not the gentle part I have a problem with. It's the dull, stupid part. Xena, I'm not cut out for this village life. I was born to do so much more.
I travel alone.
So where are you headed now?
Amphipolis?
That's in Thrace, isn't it? I love to study maps and place names. So what route do you usually take?
Don't even think about it.
What?
Following me. You don't want to make me mad now, do you?
All right. Now all four of you. Who has the green arrows?
Green. Not indeed, thank the gods.